What's up guys, thank you. So the Motorola is all set to launching a new Moto Z4 Play. The Moto Z4 Play will be featuring a 6.2-inch screen that will be equipped with a U-shaped notch and slim bezel around the display. The bottom bezel of the phone could be slightly thick. The phone will be fitted with AMOLED screen and it will be the first Motorola phone to carry support for in-display fingerprint sensor. It is expected to arrive in two models such as 64GB storage plus 4GB of RAM and 128GB storage plus 6GB of RAM. It will also be featuring a 48MP sensor, but it would not be the Samsung sensor found on Galaxy 8s and Redmi Note 7, and also it will not be the Sony sensor available on the Honor View 20. The handset is rumored to include a decent battery of 3600 mAh capacity, which is likely to carry support for rapid charging. It will come pre-installed with Android 9 Pie OS. There is no information available on the price of the Moto Z4 Play. As far as the launch date of the smartphone is concerned, it is expected to go official by the first half of the year.